I wanted to capture the last part. I think it's fading away. The rainbow is fading away, and I don't know if I can show it. Now it's enlarged in a circle and in a symmetric circle. By the way, I'll also show my garden. Make a memoir of today's garden, flowers and veggies. There's the rose blooming. Oh, and this is my yellow jasmine. The first flowers are just about to come. See that? There. Looks like orangish though. It's supposed to be yellow jasmine. I got the seeds. And oh, there's a ladybug here. Hello, poo-poo. Hello, poo-poo. There's the ladybug. It's gonna be. He's lucky for my garden. They are beneficial insects. Ladybugs are beneficial insects, and they are very good for your garden. They eat up the aphids and take care of a lot of the. Oh, here, in fact, I can actually show it. See, it's eating an aphid. It's getting an aphid. Now let me zoom it. Oh my lord, I am capturing it actually eating it. Wait. See that aphid? Okay. Zoom. Okay, so see how I was just saying that it's a beneficial insect, and it's taking away the aphid that I hate. It's eating the aphid. That green thing in its mouth is an aphid. Let's see if I can show it even. So that proves it. The beneficial insects, don't remove them for the garden, and this is because I use neem oil and only organic pesticides. I get the beneficial insects. Anyway, hello poo-poo. Let's see if I can pet it. Hello poo-poo, it's letting me pet it. Eat it, good. Eat the aphid, very good. Hello poo-poo. It's okay, I won't disturb anymore. Let her do her work. Hello, Kringles. Kringles, can I get a hoo-ha? Kringles. Oh, by the way, my mammoth sunflower. Oh, nice. The little ones. Oh, this is cosmos. Small cosmos ones. And my pomegranate tree is really blooming, and it's full bloom now. It's starting to form the fruits. Just saw the first fruit today, right there. Hello, poo-poo. Small one, but oh, here are the flowers. It's loaded with flowers, all because of organic compost tea. Oh, here's my organic compost tea that I use. Like, just make a tea out of anything, fruits, veggies that are wasted. From this side, some flowers. Just the flowers are so pretty. Here comes Kringles. Kringles. Look at the pollen on it. Fertilize. And fertilize. Hey, Amanda.